everyone, I have here a profile view for the head and the face. I'm going to start with the bigger pencil. It's a Derwent Sketching HB. I'm going to trace her hair first. There's a bigger shape. Understanding that it sits on top of her head. I'm going to trace her ears. So I make it a little darker. Could give it a little movement. Then I'm going to trace the outside of her face. I'm going to start with the forehead. Has a nice angle. Here I'm going to stop and make an eyebrow that is going away from us. The eyebrow that you just see a little spot of it. Then I'm going to trace the nose. Upper lip. And I'm going to find the corner of her mouth and connect it. So the way it connects, there's a slight indentation there, and then that fat roll, it makes this kind of a beaky shape. It drops down a little bit. And then the top of her lip has this shape, and then it dips here. So the center line of the face is imaginary line, right? So it goes down this way and kind of comes out here, and then again a little bit this way, so you see a little part of the face here that doesn't strictly belong to this side. So it's there's a slight turn, because you could see the other eye a little bit, and you could see also this part a little bit. So there's a little bit of a lip here. On the thinner pencil, a little bit of a lip technically belongs to the other side. If you imagine it split in two exactly, right? So you're drawing a little bit of that side there, which makes it not dead flat, which gives it a little bit of a dimension. So there is this roll for the lip, and it then is connected. And then her chin is also, the center line is a little bit off here. I'm drawing it for you for understanding. And then I made it very pale, the copy. So I'm connecting the chin line. So my own little trick on the fashion illustration, I never connect the jawline here. It's just my own thing, because it makes it look really hard if you do, like it makes it really too pronounced. You want this line to fade. Anyway, so this was for the mouth. Then you could indicate the wing of her nose, the nostril, and a shadow there. So the top lip will be in the shadow, and there will be shadow underneath here. And for the eye, so top lid, it wraps around the eye. The bottom lid also wraps around, but it's tucked underneath. So top lid should look longer and heavier. and then there is a fold on top, and then the eyebrow. And then there is a shadow that rolls back into this overall shape, right, where her eye indentation is. In the landscape of the face, there is like an indentation of an eye, and the iris, and the pupil. It has a big highlight here. And the shadow underneath the eyelid, and there's shadow that shows you that there's a bowl, so this part will be lighter and this part will be slightly darker, and then there's a thickness of a bottom lid, and then you could draw the eyelashes if you want. So the darkest part here will be right in front of her eye, pointing towards the eyebrow. And there will be a little bit of a pick up here that will sort of connect back into the eyebrow. And here you could do, so what you're going to see, you're going to see the eyelid, the top eyelid, and her eye, and maybe the bottom eyelid, and the eyebrow, and how it wraps back in. So again, her imaginary center line of the face, if you divide it in half, goes in the middle of the nose bridge, and so all that part, right, if you block it, you could do without it, but with it, it gives image much more sophistication, because without it, it's very flat. And yes, you could do profile that's very, very flat, but this tiny little detail gives it very good dimension. Right, so there will be a little bit of a light shadow going down here. And a little bit of a shadow down here, and it kind of continues. This is surface of the side of her nose. And the highlight here, and there is a highlight going on here. You could see the lightness here. And then you could do the earring. She has this kind of earring, that kind of earring. The ear. There's a little bit of a shadow here, like a sideburn shadow. And this is high cheekbone on her face. So underneath it, there's also a little bit of a shadow that goes sort of drops that way. And of course the chin, there will be a shadow here. And you could do that funny color that she has. Really quickly. And there's a shadow in the back of her neck. Let's see. So kind of there. So those are the essentials for profile. So the nostril here wraps around. Right? Okay. And I'll do the guys tomorrow because it's getting dark. Bye.